Hi guys, today we're going to make a paper aeroplane. So what you need is a marker and a piece of paper. First, what you want to do is fold one triangle, a half triangle, and then fold the other one on the other side. Now you see this kind of triangle. You have to make one area for a triangle, make a tiny part there, like that. So you should have something like this, and the other part should be like the same thing you did on the other side. Step 3. Do you see a middle in these two? Just fold the middle. Step 4. Do you see a wing? Just fold it back. Now do you see this area you did? Now just turn the other side. Do the same thing again until you don't see, like, you should not fold it. Now this is the way you've done it, right? Now just fold it back in one side again. Oops. See, my camera fell. So now just write your name. And just try any detail you want to do. A star, and a star. Other side, draw 3 stars again if you want to follow me. And I'm drawing one big circle because I also draw one big circle on the other side. That's if you want to copy me. That's just an example. Now you see this paper airplane of yours. So mine is Vinny. It's written my name. And now it's time for you to fancy it up a little bit. So now if you want to fancy it, just curve something on your wing, like that. But you have to do it on the other side also. So I'm just doing a fancy way to do it. If you want, you can copy me. But my name side is okay if that happens. So now something you can do is curl it up a little bit down here. Alright, I'm just doing that since I like doing that. Some of you don't like to do the pointed up, but that's okay. It's just your choice. Now you know how to make a paper airplane. Now it's time to test it. If it doesn't work, let's see. So my paper airplane is just like this. Now you guys are gonna look at me right over here flying it. 3, 2, 1. Whee! It went down there. Mine went kind of good. Bye guys. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye. See ya.